guys, what's up? I am gonna be busy today, so I wanted to make a quick little vlog here. Trying something new. I'm on 4K, 30 frames per second, 4:3, ultra wide. So it's kind of got this cool like fisheye look. And we're on the Osmo field of view boost lens, 185 degrees field of view. So it's got this fisheye, and I discovered this yesterday when I was at the gym, and I think I left the setting on just wide instead of standard D-warp. And I really liked it. And I really, I've been thinking about getting a fisheye lens, something super wide, like a 10mm. Now that I know this camera can do this, the Action 5 is always surprising. Last night, I literally uploaded the video at like 12 a.m. So I'm gonna say I made the cutoff for day 3, but you guys be the judges. I'm going into the office. It's cold, bitter cold outside. So because today is gonna be a crazy day, today and tomorrow actually, I'm gonna try to find ways to still create content and get videos out, but I'm gonna try to do it in a way that is like low production value. I'm not gonna probably be by the fireplace or the tree tonight, but I'm right here with you guys this morning, and we've got the other tree here too. I'm wearing one of the hats that I unboxed yesterday. So if you guys can see that, I'm thinking it looks pretty good. Got the camo fit going. So I don't know, I'm kind of liking the way that I'm finding all these different like little creative things, especially like with this right here. I've been working at this desk for the past couple days, and I've been thinking like, how can I like use this ornament? So I was even thinking of doing like a shot like this, where I'm literally just talking to you guys and maybe it's recording me through there. So that's pretty cool too. What I think I need to do, and I can't do it with this lens, is pop on a circular polarizer because of the glare. So lessons to be learned. I am just excited. I'll probably get some more clips maybe around the office today, especially with this little fisheye lens. But honestly, I just kind of wanted to show up still and let you guys know that I'm having so much fun. I hope you are too. But I think Vlogmas came at a perfect time. It's when the season is slowing down a bit, you might have a little bit more time on your hands. For me, I'm like, oh my gosh, I've still got like 2 weeks left of just work that needs to get done. So I'm just excited to hit that last week of the year so that way I can have more time to just like settle in here at home and just create more. So I'm looking forward to that. We'll try to edit this up. Even if I get it out past midnight, man, we'll see. As long as I'm doing it every day, I think that's gonna be the most important part of this thing, is just building that muscle. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Sun fool you. See my breath? It is freezing out, but I do love a good day when the sun is out. I'm just ordering up my Uber because I'm not walking 20 minutes in 0-degree weather. So call me what you want, say what you want. I'm gonna be a bee about it, but this lens and this angle down here is amazing. By the time my Uber gets here, I might be frozen. So I do have some gloves on me that I'm gonna put on. All right, Uber should be here in about 4 minutes. We're just gonna talk a little bit about this lens. So I got this lens because I wanted to get a little bit of a wider point of view. I really like the lens that it comes with, the Action 5.
but this one allows you to get a little bit wider focus. And honestly, if you frame up the shots just right, you can get some really good content. So right now, I'm just going ultra wide, 4K 30, 4.3 at negative 0.7 exposure value. And then I've got auto ISO 1 to 800. And then I've got the shutter speed on 100 manual. So it might be a little shaky, but I'm okay with that because I'm really liking how these looks are coming out. You can see the Sears Tower in the background. People call it the Willis. I call it the Sears because I grew up here and I don't like change. So, gosh, where is this Uber? My thumb is freezing. All right, we'll catch you when we get to the office, but hope you guys like this view. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, like AI initiative. Yeah.
Alright guys, we're back on the train right now. We just got done with an after work event. It was a live podcast show. Didn't take my camera in there, but I wanted to check back in with you guys, let you know. I thought it was just going to be a normal day today, and we had kind of all these festivities going on because tomorrow's our big agency anniversary called The Breakfast, and it's going to be a whole day of just live entertainment. A lot of people are probably going to be having some good drinks and dancing and having fun and celebrating a year worth of hard work, but this is how I'm celebrating. I am going home tonight, what we call at my agency a star reacher, and you get nominated from your bosses from whatever department you're in, and for me that's strategy. And this has been an award that I wanted for so long and worked so hard, and I didn't know if it was ever going to happen on the day that I least expected it. We got it, so we're going home, and I think you get like a little bonus with this too, so pretty cool. We'll see you guys when we get back, but just want to check in and let you know that happened, and I'm so excited, and I'm tired as well, so happy Vlogmas, day 4. Wait, yeah, day 4. Oh shoot, I'm beat. Alright guys, I am home. This is not a Christmas tree, but I just wanted to say goodnight. I'm tired, and I have to go back downtown tomorrow, do it all over again, and just rally. I just want to encourage you guys that, like, no matter what you're doing, if you're putting in the work, somebody's watching, and when you least expect it, something good can happen. So love you guys, hope to see you soon, and keep running with Vlogmas, baby. Let's go, stay human.